So in the this area of your computer screen, you must just type MICRO Microsoft Word, MS Office Word. You must type. I take here MS Office Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, you can take any latest version. Okay. And after okay, most importantly, you must look the areas which you must concentrate. Firstly, you can see the page layout here. Okay, you can see here the page layout, and you must click the page layout, and in this page layout you can see the size, and now it is already A4, so you can change it to whatever it is, the legal A5 or whatever, but it's A4 is good for this letterhead. If you are taking printout in our normal computers, okay, so we must choose the A4, and the next is the margins. Okay, you must click the margins. This normal, narrow, moderate, wide, or mirror. Okay, this normal is very good enough, so we must select this normal. Okay, then the next step is you can make a or you must insert something. You must insert okay, you must press the home key, and here you can see you simply type here whatever it is. I type here a name of my channel is of engineers World, engineers World online. Okay, and this YouTube channel address I have type here, and after that the next step is now you can see it is oriented towards the left position, but I wish to place it in the middle. So for this you can see here, if you press this middle one. Okay, if you press the middle one, then what happen? Yeah, sorry, I pressed the that one. Okay, I want to press this one, the middle one, the middle one. Okay, if I press the middle one, then it should come to the middle position. You can see that it have been the test have been arrived into the middle, and after that I press. You can check here also the line spacing between them, and I adjust from 1.5 to 1. After that I press the enter, and here I type the address, whatever it is, second floor. Okay, you can type it's an example I'm typing here, and you must type the tower's name, or and after that okay, tower's name, okay, then city, or then your city's name, and after that you must press the pin code also, whatever it is, you must press the pin code. So that's right here for example, and after that you must the option for put your phone number also, you must put the phone number also here. So the first this is the heading line, and the heading line should be, you must adjust, you must select the heading line, and after that you must change the font. Here it is, now it is in Calibri font, and you must click here, and you can change to the font whichever you wish. Okay, I have changed to one another font here. I select this font, and I also increase the size from 11 to 20. Is okay, but the online comes as the third line. That's not so I adjust it to 24 now, and then this here is, you can put the address here. If you want to change any modification, you can make here. Okay, after that you must click this one, that is the option. I must click here, that is the bottom border. Okay, you must select this one and press the bottom border option. You can see that now a line have been arrived here. You can change the color also for this, must press here, and if we choose the color whatever you want, you wish. If I change it to blue or this like, and you can change the color whichever or what color you have been interested, like the way you can make a letterhead. Also, if you want to insert the logo, you can press the insert button, and after that you press the picture, and from this picture you must select the picture whatever you want. I have been selecting this a logo, and after that I have been pressed the insert button, and I can see that it have been added here, but I can drag it or adjust it to wherever I need. Okay, can change you can change the position like this. I can change the position of my emblem. Or you can even change the full color of this. You must for this you must select this, and after that you can see from the home button, insert button, you can see the shapes, and in this shape section you must select the rectangles, and in this rectangle you can see the options like this, and in this you can change the colors like this, red, green, like this, and after that you can simply use this. You can drag it or you can copy paste here. After that you can type here also, that option is also available at test, and after that you must type here. So this is the second method for inserting the or preparing the letterhead. So this way you can also prepare the letterhead. So remember, there are two methods to prepare the letterhead. This is more easy, I think, no? Okay, adjust the font also, and after that I adjust the size also here. Okay, okay, then if we simply press this like down like this, you can see the your earlier typed content can be seen here, no? We type first this content. Okay, then you can do what you do is you must simply select this, or you can select the full content itself, and after that you can press the copy, and you must press here, and here press the test line. Just drag it to the down. You can see here everything have been added here, and what you must importantly do is you must select the last three lines, and you must reduce the font size from 48 to reduced it to 22, and I change the font also here. Okay, then the next is I have been changing my emblem here. And drag it like this. Okay, I fixed here to this place now. Then what I do is I drag it to up, and this also I must drag it like this. Okay, now you can see that the letterhead is ready, and after that you must importantly remember to put the date here. So hope you understood this video. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.